Hi guys, good afternoon. How are you? Listen, we're getting ready to go get this chicken lob together. One of the things we were delayed because we were catching fish, so we kind of stayed out a little bit longer. I had some date time with the hubby. It's all good. So remember the marinated chicken I made? Okay, so this is it. You guys can use ground chicken. You can use any kind of protein. Ground chicken, ground pork, ground beef. If you use ground beef, make sure it is the leanest, like 93, 97%. And what I'm going to do now, excuse me guys, is take this chicken and just cut it like this. If you choose. Chicken breast works too. I like the flavor. Some people take the skin off. This is my mom's recipe. So, you know, guys, everyone kind of makes it a little bit differently. This is how I do it, okay? All right, where we're going to put that piece of chicken, God knows. Anyways, but you want to just kind of make sure you don't get any bones in there, right? You can cut it like this. I don't have a cold, guys. I actually was going to ground this rice in front of you guys, and then I'm glad I kind of didn't, because when I was grinding the peppers, oh my goodness, it got up in my nose. Of course, you don't breathe that stuff in, let alone touch your eyes, you know what I'm saying? So you cut the chicken up just like that, okay? There's some meat on there. I don't feel like picking off the bones. I'm not gonna waste my time. But, ooh, what a mess. Okay. So, I don't know what you guys were doing today, but for me, my hubby and I, we like to go on our little weekly dates. And today we actually went fishing. And let me tell you, it was cold outside and windy. And, of course, everybody else caught besides me. We got a catfish today, a red drum, and a speckled sea trout, and I'm planning on using that trout to make this Thai dish that we like to make, that's full of all those herbs and spices that I posted recently. And you know, guys, thank you so much for being patient and watching all that, because I'm trying to get as much information out there to you guys so you guys can understand, you know, why it's so important to have some of these spices and herbs. Look at me, I sound awful. I know I don't have a cold. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Hi Tina. Hi Kim. Hi Michelle. Hi Amanda. Thanks for hopping in, guys. So here we go. We're putting it in here. No, I haven't washed my hands yet. It's cooked chicken. I think we'll be okay. I'm pretty sure of it. Let me go throw this in the sink and wash my hands real quick. Okay, sorry about that. I'm back now. Okay, what you want to do now is if you're using chicken like I am, or chicken breast or whatever, with the ground turkey and ground pork and stuff, you guys don't have to do this. But when, like, I take a pork loin sometimes, and I actually cut up the same way with the chicken and stuff, and I put it in this thing. Okay, come on, work today. He said, no. See? And sometimes you guys gonna have to kind of move it around because it gets all stuck in there and whatnot. But this is a great, easy way of doing it, at least for me. Wow, it's not grounding like I normally would like it to. Maybe a little bit of time. You guys think it's too much in there? Yeah. Hey, Michael. Hi, Miriam. How are you? Midnight is doing really, really good. He's getting really tall and big. You should see him. He's a pain in my butt, too. So, all right. Sorry about the difficulty, guys. Sometimes I just over measure. The recipe that I'm going to put out there, it's not out there yet, but it will be. It only calls for half of the portion I'm making. So about a pound of ground beef, ground chicken, ground turkey. It's about 3 cups. All right, let's see here. Can you guys see that? Give me some hearts and likes, guys. Let me know this is something you might want to try. And also in the comments, make sure you guys put, things that you might be interested in seeing. You want me to cook for you in the future. Actually, I'm going to create a post. That way we can kind of just all, add to it the things that you like to see. And I would love feedback on the website. Okay, so this is that toasted rice and chilies. I took chili pepper, dried chili pepper, grounded it, and I grounded the rice. If you don't have the rice, you can use breadcrumbs. I don't recommend it. You can actually buy this pre-made in the store. This is a very key ingredient. So in this recipe, I'm using 3. Okay? 3 tablespoons of that toasted rice. I'm measuring for you guys. You guys are so lucky. I hate measuring. 1, 2, 3. Fish sauce. If you don't like it, you won't like this recipe. And then I add more to taste later, okay? Now, this cut up piece of chicken here, guys, I'm just gonna put it to the side for now. Go back in there. We'll ground you later. Chili peppers. See that? That's about 10 of them. They go in there just like that. And then you need about 1/3 cup of cilantro. Okay? Mint leaves, 20 of them. Maybe more. It just all depends, okay? And then lemon juice. Just squeeze. I don't know how you guys squeeze your lemon juice. Hey, Helen, how are you? How are you, my love? Happy belated birthday to you. I can't wait to see you tomorrow. I'm excited. I hope you guys are going to have Filipino food. Yeah, guys, right? Can't wait for some lumpia. Oh, my God. Wait, Helen, do you know how to make adobo? That is one of my favorite Filipino dishes. Oh, have y'all had that before? Have y'all eaten Filipino food before? I'm telling you guys, I love checking out some stuff. It's just good. Trying other people's food makes all the difference in the world. All right, let me get another towel so I can dry my hands. I guess I should move it to this place, huh? Oh, you know what? One thing I wanted to tell you guys is if you have mint, you see that? I actually save the little top part here, and then I stick it in water, and then it roots, and then I stick it in the ground. And then it grows. Yeah, and then it grows like crazy. So you might want to throw it in a container. And then all you're going to do is just mix it up, just like that. And if you feel like it should not be dry, okay? If you use ground chicken or ground turkey, you're going to have to add some water or chicken broth if you want. And then, hey, honey, my husband's here. He's home. He's home from a work injury, guys. He cut his hand with a butcher knife. So he's a perishable manager at Food Line, and it got infected. So he's home because he can't work with food. Oh, I thought he was here. He's sleeping. Guys, I'm almost done. Look at this. I am almost done. It takes a lot of prep time ahead of the game, but at the end of the day, it is all worth it. And you want to serve it with either rice or I'm coming. I didn't leave you guys. I did not leave you guys. Here. Oh my gosh. Guys, I like to eat this with a little bit of lettuce. That's just one slice, but actually more. Look at that. You see that? It's so moist. Charlotte, when you go to Thailand, get some chicken laab. It's the best thing ever. And if you guys noticed, I don't cook with onions. My husband can't digest them, and I don't eat them. Just because it just hasn't been in our diet. But shallots go in here. You'll see it in the recipe. So I hope I didn't miss anything today. I think I got this right. Can you see that? Oh my God. I wish y'all can smell it. It's just so, so wonderful. Maybe I'll get me a little spoon and taste it. Let me see, let me see. Does it taste like my mom's? Maybe. Oh, yeah. Give me a couple hours so I can put the recipe up there. I hope you guys have a good weekend. Enjoy.